Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Toboldy Goes Modelworks, and this is build update part 1 of Tamiya's 1/35 scale French medium tank Somau S35. Now, as you can see, we have her assembled, i.e. dry fitted. I'll get these all up in a minute. Basically, I've done it because it's going to be easier to paint. So I've get the tracks off. You can literally get them off like that. I did have them on the wrong way, but never mind. I should like to point out that they had the wrong amount of links quoted in the instructions. It said 102. I found that 105 works better. So there we go. So all those parts off, she's ready to paint up. Prime and paint. And also I'm going to prime the attempt to prime the tracks up. So I've got to find my what's it called, put some insulating tape on backwards and stick this down. Fortunately, I haven't got any pin location what's on the tracks. It should be fairly straightforward. Yeah, all the wheels move. Interestingly, if you look at Nigel's modelling bench, he's got these doing the build of the Matilda Mark 1. Obviously, the suspension would look like that, but unfortunately, it's all covered. So yes, you can remove the panels, cut the panels off and remove them, but yeah. Yes, there's lovely detail. It's a shame I never did any details of this, because it's lovely details. Suspension set up for the suspension and the running gear, but you can't see the bloody stuff. One other thing of note, bloody tracks. Have a tendency of coming apart. I know why they've done it, because it makes it easier to fit around there. So I've done that, stripped her down, so it's got a fair bit of movement on it. Obviously the canvas bag, which should be glued on there, on that piece, just clips on there like that. So that's really cool. Obviously drilled out the aerial point for aerial later on. Hence I'll go hunting for some brass cable. So with that part being said, it's time to prime it. So, taking advantage of the warm weather, I'm going to spray it with the our old favourite Mr. Surfacer Black. And then we're going to attempt to paint it. So I'll come back when it might well be olive green. It may well be have some interesting colours on it. We're going to do the C variant, because the C variant's got a different tow hook on the back. And we got two paints especially for this: red XF64 and XF58. So I'll see you in a bit. And we're back. It's Thursday. It's Thursday afternoon. I tended to get a little bit distracted, unfortunately. Got the tracks all painted in dark iron, so they've been primed and they've been painted in XF84. That's this one, in dark iron, over a primer coat of Mr. Surfacer Black. So the tracks are done, and obviously the lower hull is Mr. Surfacer Black. So obviously, well, in theory I should have had it painted today, but other things have got in the way. Namely, it's a big rocket ship has got in the way of that. Obviously, so we can paint up green, the olive green, which is hiding underneath here. So we can get in all around the light, the horn and light fixtures, both sides. And that those wheels are now glued. We don't need them rolling, because we can slide the tracks round. Again, exhaust primed, and the turret is primed, so you can really see the texture on it. Very nice it is too. Obviously, tiny little cupola has been done as well, and the upper part of the lower hull has been done. So obviously I did that a little bit thinner. So yeah, put that on the right way around, you dummy. Because obviously once it's painted up, once this is green, and well, I'll show you on the photo. I'll explain it on the photo, because obviously I'm talking utter rubbish here. So once this is painted, it's easier to paint up without it on there, to be honest. We can get a better line. Obviously we're going to cheat and use some white tack worms, and hopefully get a sharper colour match on it. So there we go. So it'll be a bit of fun with the black on it on the top there. Do a nice NATO black line, or rubber black. So I'll be hand painting that in. So that's pretty cool. So that is all on this update. When in the next update, I don't know when that will be. Probably next week or something like that. I shall have her all painted in green, red, brown, sky, and light blue. Hopefully I've got some light blue. I've got to check in my paint stores over there. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.